Okay, yesterday I was doing some of my community service at a thrift store called Spirit of Sharing or something like that, SOS. And my weakness is knickknacks and trinkets and shit like that, especially when I have to pay for full price. So anyway, yesterday I found this cute little rose. Okay, and I realized it opened. Hmm. The puzzling part is how. Well, you got to take it apart like puzzle. The key. And it slides open. Magical hiding spot. Of course, it's so being that it's so pretty. It would not be a smart place to hide anything because everybody do want to look at it. But just give you a couple minutes to look at it before you figure out what it is. Kind of cool. A puzzle box. I paid 50 cents for it. It was listed as selling for $22 someplace. And somebody didn't want it and they threw it away. So there you go. I got a couple pair of jeans too, $2 a piece. And I have a line for a quarter. Um, I don't need to go to thrift stores. I'm buy shit. Anyway, that's my day.